I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select WS Form. To integrate the WS Form, go to the WS Form and navigate to the action. To add a new action, click on the plus icon and give it a meaningful name. Choose action. Choose type. Give here a hook tag. So go to the integration site. Under the note, copy the hook tag, then paste it on the WS Form. Save and close it. Now go to your integration site and choose a form. Next, search and select an action Autonomy. Connect to Autonomy. Autonomy connected successfully. Next, choose a list. Choose a tag. Map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features in action and conditional logic. You can use it for your requirement. Next, finish and save it. Let's submit a form. Submit it. Form submitted successfully. Now go to the Autonomy dashboard. Navigate to the contacts. You can see here that the data was successfully received in Autonomy. Thanks for watching.